This video is a guide and we are using new, clean equipment. You must always refer to the instruction book for safe practices and specific details. Hello, this is another instructional video from Hardy where I'll show you how to overhaul the electric suction smart valve on an Eon sprayer. Abrasive pesticide, poor water quality and usage will wear the valve and seals. And in this video I'll show you how to replace them. I've washed the sprayer and I'll start by removing the valve block. Before you start, it's a good idea to get the seals and O-ring kit. You may also need to replace the valve balls. They should have a smooth surface. You can check this by running your finger over the ball. You will need a few tools: O-ring lubricant and thread lock, Torx keys, a 5mm Allen key, pliers, a C-spanner and a hammer, and then a tool for the end cap. This is a 70 by 5mm steel plate with a handle that you can make. Remove the cover. Note the orientation of the ball valves. You could mark them or take a photo as a reminder for later. Note the position of the coupling from the electronics to the valve. The position is numbered 1 to 4. I'll make a note of this. It is important to have the same orientation of the valves and the electronics at reassembly, so don't turn the axle. Remove the axle bolt with a 5mm Allen key. Undo the 6 Torx screws and slide the assembly over to the side. Now undo the 4 screws and slide the base plate off. Unscrew the round plate and slide it off. You'll find 2 O-rings here. With that done, we now start on the ball valves by unscrewing the end cap and the white thruster plate that holds the scraper ring. Unscrew the thrust plate. Change and lubricate the O-ring and replace screwing it to the bottom of the cap. Pull the circlips out and now tap the housing free. You can now get to the other scraper ring. The ball and scraper rings should have a smooth surface. Change them if in doubt. Note the groove and threaded hole orientation and tap out the upper axle. Replace the O-rings, lubricate and reassemble so the groove has the original position. It is a similar process for the other end. Remember to note the orientation. Check the axle lines up with the groove in the ball and tap the housing back into place. Now the worn parts are replaced and I'm ready to reassemble the unit. This should be easy if I've kept the same component orientation. Tighten the nut and replace the circlips. Replace the end cap and tighten it. Now adjust the thrust plate until it seats firmly on the scraper rings. Replace the round plate and the base plate with the O-rings. Add a drop of thread locker and fit the Allen key. Just a couple of turns is enough. Now slide the motor gearbox assembly over the axle and tighten all the screws. The Allen key torque setting is 25 Newton meter. It's looking good, and now I can fit it to the sprayer again. For other Hardy instruction videos, check out our YouTube channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications.